Hi boys and girls, so today's book is called Who Eats What in the Rainforest. You're going to see plants and animals.
Hi.
All right, this is by Taylor Fonzone and Millie Landis. Look at that photograph. Who eats what in the rainforest? This is a rainforest. There are plants in the rainforest. There's lots of different examples. Bananas, coconuts, Brazil nut tree, what else? Cacao, pitcher plant, orchids, even coffee beans, water lilies. There are animals in the rainforest. The animals have to eat to live. I'll show you all the different types of animals. But who eats what? This is a fruit. The fly eats the fruit. The frog eats the fly. Can you see it inside his mouth? The snake eats the frog. Can you see the little frog's legs hanging out? Oh, it's going to wrap them up and swallow them whole. Who eats the snake? Do you think it's the monkey, the bird, or the spider? Maddie, what do you think? What do you think will eat the snake? Take a guess.
Bird.
She's right, and I didn't even let her peek.
You didn't.
Nope, she is correct. Look at the bird. It has a snake in its mouth. Might not be the yellow one, but birds eat snakes.
Yay, I was right.
The big bird eats the snake. Okay, this is a fruit. Now this fruit will end up being yellow when it's ripe, but it's green right now. What fruit is that?
Banana.
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 Okay. The bat eats the fruit. The little snake eats the bat. The big snake eats the little snake. Can you see that? Ooh, snakes eating snakes. Who eats the big snake? Let's see. Do you think it's the leopard, the fish, or the bird? Which one eats the big snake? Do you want to guess?
Yeah.
What do you think?
These ones look small, so I'm gonna go with leopard.
She's guessing leopard. Okay.
Because the other ones are small.
Did you peek at this book?
No,
Okay,
I
good.
didn't.
You are correct. Look at that photo. Oh my goodness. The leopard eats the big snake. See it? Ah. Scarpy doesn't like snakes.
Me neither.
This is a leaf. The caterpillar eats the leaf. You can tell by all the little holes, right? If you find a leaf and you see little holes in it, you know that an insect or a bug has gone and eaten it. The monkey eats the leaf. What a cute picture. The leopard eats the monkey. I didn't know that was going to happen. The leopard eats lots of animals. So you can see all the different types of animals. Fish, snake, okapi, remember that one? It's got a brown body and a zebra legs. A deer, baboon, caiman, that's a crocodile, and a tapir. Leopards can eat all of those animals. But who eats the leopard? No one eats the leopard. So, in this book, the leopard was at the top of the food web. Very neat. Lots of power words in this story, too. Who eats what in the rainforest?